Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to style your Afro Bun with your silk vintage scarf in different ways. So let's do this. Style number 1. First of all, apologies about the light. So you take your vintage scarf and get the tip of your vintage scarf and also locate another tip of your vintage scarf and place it together to form a triangle shape. So after that, you take your vintage scarf and don it over your head. Take your vintage scarf, the two sides together, and remember to pull that middle side. Pull it down firm and tight, then cross the two edge. Take it to the back and remember to pull this also to make it firm and tight. Take the two to the back and tie just to secure it at the back. We don't need that part, and be careful not to pull the scarf away from your head. So you tie your knot and secure it. Then you come to the front and spread the front layer. You take it up and take the tip and roll it. After rolling it, just secure it in the middle, somewhere around there. Remember to pull down so it won't take the scarf over your head. And that's the style number 1. To me, this style reminds me like a Ghanaian kind of look. So this is style number 2. Take the scarf and just fold and fold and fold. Then the tip, put it inside, secure it inside. We don't need it and we don't want it to show, so secure it inside that tip. Just keep rolling and rolling. Yeah, just keep rolling and rolling. Just take it over and place it round your bun. Then you end it here, knot it, and form a beautiful bow. So this is style number 2. I hope you guys love it. For those that love to actually review the bun, this is your style. Then for style number 3, take the tip and the other tip to form a triangular shape again. Once you're done it over your head. But first of all, this place that you just have to curve it in just once, just to make it firm and tight because of the style we are about to create. So that part, you secure it inside and take it, done it over your head. Then you get the two parts crossing over themselves, and this time around be careful. You want to cross it whereby it forms, can you see? I'm trying to show you guys what I mean. Like you're trying to form a shape there, like a V or X. So it's not just going round, is forming a V shape. Yes, so you make sure you hold it tight, roll it. By rolling it, it will make it firm. Roll it and roll it at the other end. Meanwhile, the flap is at the back, so you take it to the back and knot it. Yeah, just knot it tight and firm. Bring it back to the front. Keep rolling. By rolling it, you're making it tight and firm. Then you knot the final knot. The final knot and make it tight, knot and secure inside. So now the flap, you take the flap and just bring it down so it will reveal your bun. Let me show you from the back. Just take the flap and roll it in just to reveal your bun and secure it very well and neat. Then you can pull out your bun. So this is style number 3. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you like this video so far, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also leave a comment on what other things you would like me to style. For this look, I would advise a big earring. That way it gives you that bold look. For style number 4, I get the pin of my hair bun and drag it to the front, bring it to the front, because this style I'm about to create is more of the one that has a bang in the front, like you're trying to create a fringe. So it's going to be a fringe and a tail, like a ponytail and a fringe. So just try to secure it to the front and drag it. So now take your silk vintage scarf in the triangular shape and just keep a big roll like that, not too tight, just create a big roll like that, not too tight, a big roll. Just keep going. Yeah, till you're done. Then take it in the middle. Remember to secure that end, the flap. You don't want to see it outside, so you always put it inside. Now you take it and just use it as a divider, the middle of your hair bun, that way. Then take it to the back, drag the front, that's now your fringe. Then you can also drag the one at the back, just pull them. Then take your scarf, make sure it is well done, divide it and take it to the back and just tie around the bun at the back. Bring it back to the front. And knot it. That way you start seeing the division between the front and the back. So that is your fringe and your pony. So just tie, and that's all. Then you can just drag, pull your Afro Bun to give you the shape you want. So that's the fourth look and the final look. Just look how beautiful it looks. So if you like this video, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, show me love, comment, turn on the notification bell. Till I see you guys next in my video. Bye.